Hey guys, welcome to TechVet TV. In the previous chapters, you mainly learned about how to actually build a personal brand on social media. You learned about the importance of optimization of profile, how to actually create content, and how to actually stick to a niche or stick to a path. Now, in the chapters, you'll mainly learn about how to make money on social media with your personal brand. So, moving on to chapter 5, how to make money on social media with the help of your personal brand. Number one is partner with brands, partner with companies, do brand collaborations. Number two is become an affiliate marketer. What an affiliate marketer does is he actually starts recommending products and services on his social media of other products and services. Companies actually pay you a commission in exchange for every sale you refer your business. Number three is create a lead magnet. What I mean by that is once your followers start trusting in you, say you're an architect or say you're an engineer and you're putting out content day in and day out, your followers increase. And once your followers start trusting in you, then create a lead magnet like an ebook or a paid newsletter, because that will actually make your audience come to you more. Start with giving free advice, then your audience will start following you, and then start creating a lead magnet where you charge for the ebook, where you have subscribers for your newsletters. Next is offer premium services, coaching. If you're an engineer, go out there, coach students, coach people who are much younger than you. So these are the few ways which can actually help you make money on social media. Now, other few ways which actually can help you is focus on highlighting your customer journey. Once you highlight your customer journey and showcase case studies and showcase testimonials, your new prospect customers who are actually watching you, they will start believing in you. They will start trusting in you, because remember guys, people will only buy from people once they get convinced that how many people have you helped. This is a great way to sell your services. Next is build anticipation for product launches. Suppose you're looking at doing a product launch, create some kind of story, create some kind of contest, create some kind of suspense that people come and buy your products. Now, let me give you an example of how I actually built my personal brand. I actually first figured my niche out, which my niche is content marketing and personal branding expert. Then I focused on giving free advice day after day, day after day. I helped as many people as I could. Next is people started trusting in me, and then I started receiving tons and tons of leads organically with the power of content marketing. Then I ensured that whatever lead came my way, I never said no to any leads. Then I kept educating and empowering my audience. Then I started explaining to my audience, whoever the lead that came to me, about my services, not selling my services, but explaining how I can help them with my services. I ensured I was teaching people who don't understand the importance of personal branding, who don't understand the importance of content marketing. Most importantly, I was consistent. With the power of consistency, I have grown to 60,000 followers on LinkedIn, and that's helped me only with the power of content, community, collaborations, and consistency. So hence guys, focus on building yourself, focus on building you, be as transparent as you can, showcase yourself as failure stories, showcase whatever content you want to put out, but make sure you are authentic. I hope this chapter helps you understand the importance of building a personal brand and also the importance of the ways which you can make money. So guys, in case you have any kind of questions, please add a comment here. You can reach out to us. Thank you very much.